Boom! Chat, you don't know, say I want home town. Tomorrow, my big birthday party up here, so up a blood clot 1738. The ticket them up here, so then say 40 ticket left up here. When you can get on the ticket now. Up here, so 1738. See parking lot and everything.
Upstairs courts.
Go show them the blood clot. Go look for the place. Go look for the place. If you don't have no money tomorrow, if you don't go on, you don't show them no money. See bad party. Yeah, this is where party I keep tomorrow. Make sure someone check in, go get to the tickets. Up here say party I keep. If you have a well chat, let me know.
Room, yo, Pops YG. And we make them know say Pops YG present a thing called You Know the Thing Go. Yo, hometown birthday bash. And you know a girl level that there. And you know say all boot pint over there so. August the 15th. Pops YG. Do what you feel like, but not fight it. Your birthday I go nice. Elephant man I go pull up on your nose to the place I go mash up and then we are signal the plane, we are go signal the yo Pops YG. You know the thing why your birthday party, so you know we are called the pretty girl them. Pops YG party, walk one, me pretty baby. Walk one, yeah, me pretty baby. This I no maybe. Maybe me I go buck your Pops YG party. Yo, you know the thing go August the 15th. Pops YG, shizzle, Thursday, nothing, image is everything. Up here, your image. Kaboom! Boom.